Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I am going to show you how to change your bank details in Deliveroo. Whether you are a rider or a restaurant partner, updating your payment info is important to make sure you get paid on time. So let's walk through the steps together. First, log into the Rider app or Rider website. Open the Deliveroo Rider app or go to deliveroo.com and log into your account. Go to settings and profile section, tap on profile icon or go to settings. Look for an option that says payment details or bank details. You will see the fields for your account number and sort code. To enter the new bank details carefully, double check to avoid your payment issues. Once you are updated the information, make sure to save or submit the changes. You might receive an email confirmation or a notification saying your details have been updated successfully. If you don't see an option to change bank details in the app, or if you are having issues, you can contact Deliveroo Rider support to the help section in the app or at support@deliveroo.co.uk. And that's it. Whether you are delivering food or running a business on Deliveroo, keeping your payments info up to date is quick and easy.